Hi, welcome to Lavonne's kitchen. Today we're in the kitchen making seafood pasta salad. And on our recipe, these are your ingredients. Since it's seafood, we have shrimp. We're using imitation crab. Cucumbers, diced tomatoes. We have tricolored pasta. Of course, we gotta use some salt to salt our water. Our seasonings are parsley, seasoning salt, black pepper, Italian seasoning, and of course some Italian dressing. So first thing we're going to do is salt our water to boil our pasta. You have to use a generous amount of salt for that. Whenever you're boiling pasta, you always put a generous amount of salt in it. So our water is already boiling. We're going to add our pasta. Stir it up a little. And then, this is a very easy salad to make. We're just going to start adding our ingredients, which are the tomatoes. I'm going to use the same spoon. Our tomatoes, our cucumbers. I'm going to actually go ahead and season these. We're going to put a little parsley now and then a little parsley later. Parsley, little seasoning salt. You can just use regular salt with this. I like seasoning salt in mine. I'm going to use black pepper. Italian seasoning. Lots of Italian seasoning. And then we're going to go ahead and put our Italian dressing in there, mix it up. So when our pasta is done, all we have to do is add it to this dressing. Speaking of pasta, let me stir it. Okay, let's give this a stir. Look at that. It smells good. We're going to go ahead and add our shrimp and our imitation crab. I like using this one because it's the chunk style. It's already nice chunks. So we're gonna just break it up a little. And stir it up. Make sure all your chunks are broken up. It's a very easy dish to make. Good in the summer times. There's a lot of flavor in here. That Italian dressing really perks it up. And it's so easy. So all we're doing now is waiting for our pasta to finish boiling, and then we can add it to our vegetables and seafood, and we will have our seafood pasta salad. I've drained my pasta and I'm going to add it to the bowl. And incorporate that in with all of this other delicious goodness. And then I'm gonna add a little parsley to it and put it in the refrigerator so that it can chill. And then it'll be ready to eat. Add a little more parsley to it. And there you go. Our seafood pasta salad in Lavonne's kitchen. Thanks again for joining us. It's good to be back in the kitchen. See you next time.